Welcome to Craft Prism. Today I'm gonna make this amazing desk organizer only from cardboard rolls. But before that, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it with your craftaholic friends and family. Now to make this, you will need some colored sheets like this. You can use your choice of sheets. 3 cardboard rolls. Here I am using toilet paper's cardboard rolls. A piece of cardboard, glue and scissors. You can arrange these rolls as per your choice. Here I am showing you some possible ways to arrange these. I am choosing this arrangement. Now I will cover the rolls and the base with paper. Here first I am taking 2 rolls and the cardboard base and will cover with plain sheets. After covering this, I will take the 3rd roll and will cover it with printed colored sheets. After covering all the pieces, take the base and arrange the rolls as per the arrangement you chose. Now I will apply the glue below the cardboard roll and will stick it on the base, and then will press it with my hand. Now we'll do the same process with another 2 rolls. After sticking all the rolls, I will now decorate it. You can use any decoration of your choice, but here I am using a paper flower that I made. If you haven't seen my tutorial of this flower, click above on the I button. Here I am using glue to stick this flower. Now I will let this dry, and then my desk organizer will be complete. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you all liked it.